Hello my fellow Noctua boys. Pictures don't really do this justice, so I thought I'd take a quick video to show you guys the new build. So we've got a little 3070 there with the NFA 12x15s in the bottom. We've got a 14mm Noctua fan, of course, attached to what would either be the radiator bracket or hard drive brackets. But as you can see, I've got my SSDs in the front here. As you can see through here, we've got a thick Noctua heatsink and a classic A12x25 on intake on the other side of that tower. So that's blowing air out onto the motherboard. This is bringing cool air in from the vented sine panel, which I'll put on in a sec. Then this is tricky to see, but above here, with some custom little toolless screws, we've got another A12x15 and an A12x25. That's about it for the box. I'll just put the phone down and put the side panels on to show you guys what it looks like when it's all together. Nice little snap there. And one more to do. Unfortunately I can't film this, I don't have enough hands. But yeah, all the sides and that are toolless. So I definitely recommend this case. This is the NR200P by Cooler Master. And let's have a look at it now, it's back together. So you can see the vented side panel. A nice little dust filter and the 14mm pulling through there. And then this is the front. Oh, I forgot to show that the top fans are actually in exhaust through another little air filter. That's about it, boys. Really pleased with it, absolute beast. And you can see my desk is a bit messy, but the actual footprint of this case is pretty small. Cool, see you in TBC.